Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Today we'll be solving the NBHM PhD Scholarship Exam questions from the January 2018 paper. The question that we'll be solving came from the section 5, which is the miscellaneous section of the paper. So let's start off with the question. This is question number 8 from section 5, and the question is that we need to find out how many zeros are there in the end of 61 factorial. Now we know. So basically, if we need to find out the number of zeros at the end of 61 factorial, we need to find out power of 10. To find out power of 10. And if we need to find out the power of 10, basically we need to find out the power of 2 and 5. These are the two things that we need to find out. So now, power of 2 in 61 factorial is equal to 61 by 2 plus 61 by 4, greatest integer of 61 by 8 plus 61 by 16 plus 61 by 32, and then finally it will be 61 by 64, which is basically equal to 0, and this does not matter. So 61 by 2, this will be 30.5, so basically this will be equal to 30. 61 by 4, this will be something 15.25, so 15, and this will be 7 plus 3 plus 1, so total will be 56. So the power of 2 in 61 factorial is 56. Now we'll find out the power of 5. Power of 5 in 61 factorial. So this would be equal to 61 by 5, greatest integer of 61 by 25 plus greatest integer of 61 by 125. So this is basically equal to 0. The 61 by 5, this will be greatest integer will be basically equal to 12, and 61 by 25, this will be equal to 2. And 12 plus 2, this is basically equal to 14. So the power of 5 is 6 in 61 factorial is 14. So therefore the power of 10 in 61 factorial is equal to 10, and therefore number of zeros in 61 factorial is equal to 14. This is the answer. So today we have solved a question which came in the miscellaneous section of NBHM 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sourav Sir Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.